Well, you've heard of Camaros and Chevelles and Dodge Chargers becoming resto mods. You restore the car and you add a lot of updated features. You retrofit it with newer stuff. How about a Land Cruiser resto mod? That's right, this is a 1975 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 resto mod is really what it is. And it is gorgeous. Now from the factory, this would be powered by the 2F, which is a 4.2-liter inline 6-cylinder carbureted gasoline engine. Now, it's powered by a fuel-injected 350 cubic inch Chevy Vortec engine out of a Suburban. So now it sounds like this. It moves a little quicker than it does with the factory engine too. Now the power from that V8 is sent to this 4-speed automatic 4L60E trans with a Sidewinder shifter. And of course it still has fully functioning 4-wheel drive. We have the shifter for the transfer case down below here. Now from 2020 to 2021 is when this whole FJ40 was restored and upgraded with these components. It's painted in a newer Toyota FJ color. I believe it's Heritage Blue, and it looks beautiful. I love that they painted it in a Toyota factory color. I think it looks amazing. We also have aftermarket front and rear bumpers, and the front one's equipped with a Warn winch. Should you decide to take this beautiful FJ40 off-roading, you don't have to worry about getting it stuck. And if you do decide to take it off-roading, well, good for you. And it really is fully equipped to go off-road. We have a Gobi roof rack, an Old Man Emu lift kit, and we're rolling on BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. And on the interior, we sit in these well-bolstered aftermarket leather seats. These things just hug you. Also in the interior, we have an aftermarket digital gauge cluster, as well as an Alpine touchscreen radio. Always a nice upgrade to have. No one expects that sort of noise when they see this thing coming, that's for sure. This thing has loads of torque, much more power than the factory 2F inline 6-cylinder has, and it's fuel injected, so we know it's going to turn on every time. It moves. I still don't know if I would recommend taking it to the drag strip, but thank you guys very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy motoring.